How to assemble a soft backseat wafer butterfly valve with two steps. 1. Prepare all the wafer butterfly valve parts. 2. Bend the soft backseat to assemble to the valve body. 3. Tap gently to make the valve seat and valve body fit more closely. 4. Press the valve disc to the appropriate position. 5. Install the lower half stem from the bottom of the valve body. 6. Install the upper half stem from the top of the valve body. 7. Install Circlip and U-shaped buckle on the inner side of the top flange. Prevent relative misalignment of the valve stem. 8. Install the chainring to the top flange. 9. Install the lever to the stem. Ten. Install the end cap to the bottom of the valve body.